After Ohio Governor Mike DeWine told me exclusively on WFMJ Weekend today that orders would be coming this week, he followed through.
Yeah, he sure did. DeWine announced that he's putting a statewide mask mandate in place. This will go into effect tomorrow, July 23rd at 6 o'clock. It requires those who are 10 years old or older to wear a mask.
But there are some exceptions. Those include things like people who have a medical condition or are actively exercising or playing sports, and those who are also eating or drinking.
DeWine and health officials have said all along that if we all wear a mask, we can help put an end to this pandemic.
The evidence is just abundantly clear. As I said, the jury's back, the verdict's in. Masks work, and particularly when masks are used with the social distancing, the two layers Dr. Acton used to talk about.
Now, that mask mandate is a directive of the Ohio Health Department, so any violation of this order is punishable by law.
Ohio Revised Code states that no person shall violate any rule the Director of Health adopts or any order to prevent a threat to the public caused by a pandemic.
The penalty for violating this order is a misdemeanor of the second degree, which can include a fine of no more than $750 and not more than 90 days in jail or both.
So the penalties are in place. Now comes the enforcement.
So as we have seen in Trumbull County recently, when it comes to enforcing this, the line in the sand is a little fuzzy.
Danielle Cotterman is talking to local law enforcement about the order. She joins us now live from Warren. So what are they saying, Danielle?
Derek, Lindsay, law enforcement I spoke with all seem to be on the same page. They say their officers are not going to be running around issuing a citation to everyone not wearing a mask, but they will be there to assist the health department. And like other laws and violations, whether it be smoking in bars or a lack of a front license plate, they need to prioritize their resources. Here's Mahoning County Sheriff Jerry Green on the topic.
I'm not so sure, and especially with the amount of work we have and the staff we have, I just don't see how local law enforcement or really anywhere is going to be able to, effectively go out and aggressively support this, because I believe there's going to be too much of it.
And another challenge for law enforcement is people who have a legitimate health reason for not wearing a mask. Warren's law director tells me they will be looking at the health order for any guidance on that. Reporting live with more local news, I'm Danielle Cotterman.